welcome back to my sister's channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago, well it's 12th right now, but on 10th June, 2 days ago, this little guy, my brother, mi hermanito, mi corazón, mi vida, he turned 9 years old. And typically on our birthdays, we usually go to this Spanish restaurant, but well, number one, it's kind of expensive over there, and we always leave hungry. But it's still a very nice restaurant to go to on occasions. But since I've been exploring in the kitchen a lot these past few months, I decided to challenge myself and prepare all of these things that we usually go there to order. So it's been quite challenging, but I'm very happy with the result, with how everything turned out. So let's show you guys what it looks like. Today's video, we're not really going to be showing any recipes, but I will show you guys what this table consists of. And starting from tomorrow, the recipes will be uploaded gradually. So first thing first is sopa de marisco, or seafood soup. And we only have 3 here. We left one out because one of the members of this household is vegetarian, so they're not going to be eating the seafood soup. Next is one of my all-time favorites. This is pulpo a fiera, which is octopus and potatoes. Next is a selection of cheeses. I could have done a charcuterie, but I thought no need, since we are having a Spanish-themed feast, so no need to have that. We should keep it essentially Spanish. Gambas al ajillo, and this is another favorite. Next is this tomato, it's basically tomatoes, parsley, and garlic that we've blended together. And to accompany it, we have about 2 types of bread. Patatas al ajillo, which is again one of my favorites. It's a very nice and different way to eat potatoes, and super easy to make. And just to cut down on the richness of the cheeses, we have here some cherry tomatoes and cebollitas, or mini onions that are pickled. Another favorite, patatas bravas, which is one of the most famous Spanish tapas. And we have here some extra brava sauce that was left over. And the last thing is a selection of olives, which personally I really love olives and cheeses a lot. So this is what the feast looks like. This is what the table looks like in honor of my brother's 9th birthday. I challenged myself. It wasn't easy. It took a very long time. I spent all day there, but at the end, I did it, I made it, and I'm very happy with how everything turned out.
Everyone, thank you so much for the amazing table.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Happy birthday, feliz cumpleaños, mi amor, te quiero mucho. Mwah. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, although it was a short video, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord to support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!